So in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to center text on the screen in Photoshop. So I have this project open. This is actually the thumbnail I was working for one of my other video, and I want to make sure that each of these text layers are exactly centered in the middle. So to achieve that, we are going to select the text layer, and we're going to come to select and select all. And immediately you click on select all, you're going to see these icons at the top. This is for left align, this is for center align, and this is for right align. So once you click on center align, it is centered. Then to center 95, I'll select that layer and do the same thing, and there you have it. Both of them are centered now exactly the way I want it. You can also remove the this selection by coming to select and click the select. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.